white one. What? What's that? Hey guys! Hey guys, look at the here. Hi. That's my tiny rat. It's in the tail. I'm gonna tell it. Whoa! I'm gonna do that with this. What's that? Really good. I'm Cody. But this particular crab though, is a white crab. It's very much alive. I mean, it's tiny. Some crabs. Oh wow, guys, this is gonna be awesome. This is scary. Scared. I'm scared for my life right now. I'm scared. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, don't. Woohoo! Don't go fast. Oh no. I will. I will. Then that says Hardy. Hardy. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go to the playground. Come on, guys. Watch this. I'm gonna go all the way down that mountain and then back up. Come on, guys. We need to do this. We need to win. Okay. We're almost down there. We're halfway down the mountain. Careful with dog poop. There. Let's get back up the mountain. We meet you there. The people. Football party. Yay!
What we're gonna do is go to the circle, go first.
But where's all the rocks? Okay.
Small one.
Do it. Start from here and go around. And we go down to the
Sharp height. And back. Do it all around.
relax the heavy.
Strong with my big muscles, so I can do it.
Me too.
Yeah. circle. It's like a face. It's not really a circle, but it's a face. Good progress.
I broke the stone. I broke the stone. I broke that stone. This is hard. Last space. One more.
Look, it's here, fat ass. Who wants to do the honours?
Me. Four eyes.
Do the eyes.
Four eyes. First step is a smiley face. Yeah.
Oh, we're doing the smiley face there.
Yeah.
On it.
Heart eyes. Heart eyes.
Oh, eyes. Not sure that rhymes.
My rock is rolling away. Yeah. Come on, rock. It's now. There's a big giant smiling thing. Whoa, I need another rock. Wait, a nose? You need a nose? Where's the nose? What? I dipped the nose.
Nice way. I found a big rock for the nose.
I found one. I found one.
I want to try and find some little rocks to fill in the gaps around here.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm going to work on the smiley face a bit more.
I got a little rock. Place it like a pizza. Place it like a pizza. Place it like a pizza. Like pizza. Like pizza. We need a nose.
No, I'm not sure smiley face.
I do.
What does this mean?
There.
Ooh, yeah. Good job, Lava. for me? I'll look at the hot.
Like and subscribe. I've got a precious stone. It looks like a diamond. Precious stone. That's weird. I know. Yeah. Guys, this looks like an epic smiley face. Do you like it? My smiley face. Make happy and smile, please.
I think we're done.
Yeah!
Smiley face.
We completed the smiley face. Oh! And now, who wants to go and play at the park?
Yes, I think we need to add some extra layers because the outside's just been and played. Okay, hi.
And that will be a no.
I'm from California, but I came here.
This looks like a shape. Come tell me what this shape looks like. I don't know. It's weird. It's a weird shape. I don't know what it is. It looks like a triangle, but then when you the side, it looks like a banana. If you know what this is, please tell me, because I do not know what this shape is. I know it's.
Give him a bit of a chance.
Yeah, I thought obviously this injection was going to help with arthritis, but not realising that with the medication that he was on and plus the new medication, he should have had
Eddie, you okay?
It goes so.
Done?
See what I got?
Ooh. Strange flag.
Mom, look! I got something good.
I guess we've completed the second layer. I should be the nose. Do you think we should modify his mouth a little bit? It's not very trendy.
Why?
Let's expand the smile.
Dad, look!
Corners.
Guess what I got? It's a little thing. It's a little baby. It's a little baby fly. So, boys, what are you doing right now?
Working on a smiley face.
It looks good so far, like.
True.
I love the way you built the heart eyes. It was very nice, though. Nice.
I wouldn't say they were really hard eyes.
Whoa.
And a pointy.
How cool is this? Whoa. This is really cool. So what are you adding right now, Cameron?
More rocks from the eyes.
Mhm.
They kind of stick up a bit to here.
Okay.
Bigger.
I am gonna go around and look at that. That's cool, though.
Upside down. Smile.
Yeah, it is. But now, it's a happy face. Dad, it isn't.
How's the progress going, Cam? Great. Just move the smile down a bit. Okay. What did you think of the boat ride, Cody? I thought it was great. I was scared at first. The point where it started tipping, I was scared to death. Boat rides. Considering that we used to go on the ferry all the time. Much fast paced. How about we have a look at progress in the smiley face? How about we do some abstract?
Let it go!
Yeah, I think it has too many stones.
I would like a race. Let it go!
Why don't we add?
What about a race?
Maybe. Or maybe
Why don't we add
an elephant trunk.
a villager nose for Minecraft?
Yes. Yes, Minecraft.
Maybe a beard. Oh, like a little spiky beard.
Be silly with it?
Yeah.
Maybe we could have... Spiky teeth. Okay. Oh, strong you. What? Lovely scenery. Tons of rabbits. What you doing now?